Good morning and welcome back to Little Troyer Farm. I'm going to start a 7-day series where I am attempting to maybe cure a bad habit, but I know that some of these videos end up being like 30-35 minutes long and not everybody has time for that. And so I'm going to try a new method, if you will. I'm going to do a 7-day series. Hopefully I can keep it 10 minutes and under. And it'll be kind of a Q&A thing. So if you have questions on a video, leave them. I will answer them the next video if I can work it out that way. So today is day 1. It is November the something. I have to check. November the 8th. Hi, you peaches. Cutie girl. Hey, you guys, you ready for your munchies? Yeah. Go get your munchies. So why, might you ask, why on earth am I just letting the goats out to come feed on this round bale? Well, I'll tell you why. I put this bale in the overhang underneath the barn and tried to tear into it. I was like, oh, maybe it's just really, really tightly wrapped. No, it's musty and moldy and dusty and kind of overall just disgusting. I could not dig into it when it was over there in the shed, and so I parked it right here, and then I've been trying to like dig off of it with the pitchfork, still not really working. So I've just been letting them out twice a day. They come and they eat whatever they want. They're big and fat and happy. And then I lock them back in at night. And because they're ruminants, they just chew their cud. They're not grazers where they need to be grazing for like 17 hours a day. And so I've just been letting them out the last couple days. Next question people are probably going to ask is, what happened to your snow? Guys, somebody ran away with my snow. They picked it all up. I'm just kidding. It rained, it poured here and melted most of our snow, and it's been like plus 8 degrees Celsius, which is absurd weather for northern British Columbia, where we are in like zone 3A as far as frost goes. It's crazy. And you know what that means? It means that we are back to mud and disgusting looking horses because they are covered in mud. Isn't that right? Yep. Thanks, muddy weather. Thanks, muddy weather. Miss Ladybug, you're doing so good after being a wiener. You and your wiener buddy. Oh, are you going to be sassy? Jitterbug and Ladybug. Here's Dottie over here. I'm going to get them fed. Hey, good morning, Charlie. Got Grace and Raven over there. Beautiful sunrise at 9 o'clock in the morning. Of course, the day before we had our big rain, we had a huge windstorm that night with 70 to 90 kilometer-hour winds. So all of our tarps that had been covering our bales to keep them in better shape, to keep the outside from rotting so much, all the tarps got whipped off. So that's really quite rather unfortunate. Hello, boys. You're so stinky as per usual. Blech. During the rut, these boys are stinky. But I will say, comparison between either a Nubian and a Nigerian Dwarf, for some reason that Nigerian Dwarf, he is so much more stinky. Don't ask me why, but he is all sorts and kinds of nasty. Some people have asked, how many animals do you have? How many horses do you have? For real, we have 9 horses. That includes foals and ponies, keep in mind. So 9 there, plus 4 bucks, which is 13. And then we've got all of these guys. So that takes us at 14 between the bucks and the horses. Then we've got, hold on, not 14. That takes us to 13 with the bucks and the horses. 9 horses plus 4 boys. It's 13 plus 6 Nubian girls. So that takes us to 19. And then we've got 3 Nigerian dwarf does and 1 doeling there. So 19, 20, 21, 22. So livestock wise, we have 22 animals. And then we've got 3 cats. There's Petey over there, he's 1. Not sure where Tink ran off to.
I just heard a meow.
Oh, good job, there he is. Whoa, is he getting you, Maddie? Petey, where's your sister Tink? Where'd she go? Petey is one of 3 of the barn cats we have. We've got Tink, his sister, and then we've got our old original barn cat named Spike. And they're probably out hunting somewhere.
He likes the little finger.
Hi, pup. There's Tink. Hi, Tink.
You're gonna keep scratching me.
Hey, Tink. And Petey, where'd Spike go? There's Spike. I see how it is. You guys are sleeping on the top of the barn. Where it's nice and cozy. Isn't that right?
I wanna hold
Spike, you Mr. Majestic. Come here. Aw. Yeah, you ready for some breakfast? I keep losing track because the kids are very distracting. 22 livestock, right? That's what I said. And then we've got 3 cats, which would take us to 25. And then 3 dogs, which would take us to 28. So we have 28 animals on this little farm, plus 5 people, a family of 5. We have 3 children. And that's a horrible angle for me, but I'm trying to cut my child's face out because, really? You're gonna talk about diarrhea right now? It's probably just mud or mushy poop. I prefer to keep my kids off of YouTube as much as possible, as cute as they are and as adorable as they are. They don't need to have their childhood pasted all over an online platform for the whole world to see. So that is a choice that we have made. Occasionally you get the odd facial sighting, but I try to make it few and far between just because they are the most precious to me. Let's see.
It's got a little dark.
Yeah, it's kind of a cool color, hey?
Yep. And let's see what other rocks.
Ooh.
Then we've got this one with the orange.
You can let her tell me. Yeah, it's got stripes on it.
Yeah.
So that's it. A little quick tour around the farm, and I am letting you guys have at it for some questions, and I will answer them on the next video. Thanks for watching.